will allow you to interdict, to keep the peace, perhaps, to contact from cells of This is technically called the Combat Vehicle Reconnaissance, open brackets, tracked, closed brackets. It's not like the tank way the other day. It's unusual in that it's very mechanically and in terms of its construction advanced. Weighs in about 8 tons. It's really quite light. In, say, shall we say, Afghanistan, then if you lay down that kind of rapid fire, you are going to dominate that battlefield. So the idea there, here she comes. I think the driver took that as a bit of a challenge, actually. Scimitar 2, which is a little bit bigger. This one has got enhanced mine and anti-IED protection. And that's the important thing, really. The Scimitars that are in use with the British Army at the moment have got